Start the design by applying 2 coats of the color nude. Cure the nail between the coats. Apply a very thin layer of blooming gel but do not cure the nail. Now we are going to make a pattern that resembles fire. Start by applying the color blue and with light blue. Place the color in the upper right part of the nail. Apply the yellow and orange color to the lower left part of the nail. To make it look like fire, apply narrow thin lines with the color red on the design. Apply the last color on the nail, which is dark purple. Before curing the nail, take a straw and blow lightly so that the color mixes and forms a burning pattern. When you are happy with the pattern, then cure the nail for 60 seconds. To lift the design, apply a thin line of color gold on the edge of the nail. Cure the nail when you are done. If you want, you can leave the design as it is, but if you want to give it an extra touch, you can apply nail decoration. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure the nail. On the second nail, we are going to apply nail glue first before applying the nail decoration. When you are done with the placement of the nail decoration, cure the nail for 60 seconds. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure the nail. On the third nail, we are also going to apply some nail decoration to the nail. Always apply nail glue first on the nail before applying the nail decoration. Cure the nail when you are done for 60 seconds. Now you are halfway through the video and feel free to leave a comment, or why not just say hi. Let's finish the nail design by apply top coat and try to avoid getting top coat on the nail. Cure the nail when you are done. Last design of the day, and we are also going to apply some nail decoration on the nail. Always apply first nail glue before applying the nail decoration. Cure the nail for 60 seconds when you are done. For last time today, apply top coat and cure the nail. I hope you have learned something from this nail art tutorial. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on so you not miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.